And I had another fun little sweet snack treat to share with you guys, and I thought it was kind of funny. There's a lot of people here who really like chocolate bananas, which are called Choco banana in Japanese, and I don't know, I guess I can't even remember if they're around in the States, because I hate bananas, and the idea of chocolate on banana sounds really gross to me, but I don't know. Maybe at the fairs sometimes they sell them. Yeah, I don't know. They do sell them here at the fairs too, and it's a pretty common thing for kids to make as fun kind of, snack, to just dip it in chocolate and then dip it in nuts or something. But this is a soft candy, a chewy candy, kind of like, Starburst, for example, and then you kind of shape it to look like it's like banana on a stick, and then you dip it in chocolate and sprinkles. So it's made by the company Fairies, and it says "Hora dekita," which means like, oh look, I've made it, it's finished. So kind of cool. But just really super easy kind of stuff. You don't need to be a magician to figure out the instructions for this. You don't need to add water and mix it and make it or anything. It's just, it is what it is. There's some chewy candy in here, and you dip it into some chocolate and enjoy. Let me kind of open it up here and show you guys how it looks. You want to, of course, be careful so that you don't... That's what's inside. So you can see there's 6 little bananas, and there's this pouch of chocolate, and a toothpick, because you need a toothpick, and sprinkles. Yeah, because you need sprinkles. And it's just pretty self-explanatory with the little picture here. It shows you to, put your chocolate preferably into this side, and then to put your sprinkles over here, and then to just put the toothpick into one of these guys, dip it, and enjoy. So this is the chocolate here, so you can, just mush it around a little bit to make sure it comes out without too much trouble. Peel away right there at the corner where there's always a little spot to do that, and just pour it into your tray. I suppose if you did this in the dead of winter, it might not be mushy enough. That's appetizing. Big old pile of chocolate. And then the little sprinkles here. I don't know about you guys, but when you buy really cheap chocolate in the States, the chocolate kind of tastes like plastic. It doesn't taste very good. But even cheap stuff here is not really that bad. That's always been something, at least for a while here, that's been a good thing about Japan, is that no matter how cheap it is, it's still got a certain level of quality to it. But it's sad to say that those days are changing as we go through more with things coming from other countries, and the quality control is definitely lost. So I hope it stays this way. We'll have to see. So I've got my little toothpick. If you haven't had a chance to see Japanese toothpicks, these are awesome because they're all little, pretty little engraved things. So this is a candy that's flavored like banana, and you just kind of put your stick through here. It's got a nice little powder covering to it, so it's not going to get super sticky right away like Starburst would if you tried to form it in any way. And if you wanted to be a super diehard about it, you could kind of shape this to look more like a banana, but that's essentially what you're doing there. And then you just dip it into the chocolate, kind of spin it around in there so that it gets equally covered, and then dip it into the sprinkle, and you've got a finished chocolate banana. Fancy, right? And, the flavor there is, let's see. Yeah, that's banana-y. I don't know how you say that. Banana-y. Definitely a lot of banana. I probably want to have more chocolate on it. You could put more chocolate on it. It's not bad. I'm actually a big fan of banana candy. I just don't really like bananas. I think it's because I always had to eat them when I had the flu. I just can't get over that. But that's kind of what you're looking for. Little chocolate banana candy. So if you get a chance to check these guys out, this is one of those where you don't really need to know a lot of directions. You don't need to be able to read Japanese to enjoy it. Real straightforward, kind of simple kind of making kit where you just follow the easy steps with the colorful pictures on the back to enjoy a fun little snack.